So it's time for your Bronzepony wrap-up video. So this is something that I just started doing, and it is a video where I pull out some of my older pieces and some more recent pieces and present them again in their, as pieces that are already made, and I will link them in the description box below the video as well, so you can get to any piece that you might like to make. Now, I do have all these pieces in my playlists on my channel. However, there are over 500 tutorials on those playlists. So I kind of go around and I pick out the ones that I think that are just really timeless and beautiful, and just give you another look at them. So this Victorian chic, if you've been with me for a long time, you have made this one. You love this one. We did it with these beautiful pearls, and some of them have just all crystals. It says crystal and pearls. This is the jet and hematite one, which I think was I just love it. I love them all. I think they're all so pretty. And wouldn't it be cool if you got the Preciosa crystal and pearl boxes, or just to order the Preciosa, I think they're 8 by 15 millimeter pearl drops, and they have every color, so gorgeous colors. So, I mean, that would be really pretty with this. I'd like to remake it using those pearls. I mean, these are gorgeous too. Anyway, so that's our first piece. And we have a Sophia necklace. We have the double bracelet and a single. I know I couldn't find the single. I probably gave it away. So here's the double bracelet, and here's the necklace. And this necklace is gorgeous on the neck. It's a true collar. It's very Cleopatra-esque, sort of, but it's not over the top. So pretty. So, as I said, everything will be linked in the description box below the video. So if you want to make this, check it out. Okay, next up we have some of the companion and crystal and pieces. So originally we did the companion bracelet, which I can't find the bracelet. As usual, I think I probably just gave it away. And then we did a necklace, and I think we did the necklace maybe without the crystals, and then we added the crystals in later. It's possible, but this is the companion necklace, and we do have, like I said, we do have the bracelets, and all the crystal and pieces I think were worked off this necklace. So we went from this to, and my chronology could be wrong, but there we went to, here's the bracelet. So they all have the same base. So if you just in the search bar on my YouTube channel, if you just put in companion pieces, they probably will all come up, or crystal and, but I'm going to link them below, of course. So here are the two bracelets, and you see this is what the back looks like. So beautiful. I mean, it's such a nice substantial bracelet. The necklace is just we've added on these drops here, and here is the pendant. Getting real holiday vibes, aren't you? Don't you just want to wear all your big chunky crystal shiny jewelry? I do. So there you go. They're just some of your pieces. And this ring, I didn't include it, but this is the interlaced cocktail ring. I'm gonna do a ring, maybe do a ring wrap up, but that'll be coming in a bit. But I'll link this ring if you want to take a look at it. So very pretty. A couple more recent pieces. So this is the Emmeline pendant and the Verdant Garden bracelet. So here's the bracelet. I adore this bracelet. I think it's so pretty. Look at the back. This really came together beautifully. I love it. I love that chiton in there. Just love everything about it. I think it came out great. And then here's the Emmeline pendant. I love this one too. And these are just, they're just so much fun to make and not difficult to make. I have an idea for this component here. It's slightly changed for a non-jewelry item. We'll see if that comes to fruition. So I'll get you to pique your interest there a little bit. But a beautiful pendant. I love it on a ribbon. I love it on a chain. And the bracelet. I just adore the bracelet. Okay, next up we have the interlaced Isabella Pendant. And we did... The video had the round, the cushion cut, the pear, and the oval. And these are all the big Swarovski stones. These are 20 by 30, I believe. And what we did is we did the back as well. We made these beautiful patterns on the back. And I've been searching and searching for the round one because it was my favorite. Big, I think it's 27 millimeter stone. And it looked like a spider web on the back. It was so pretty. You could wear it front or back. Of course, I'll link the video down below and you'll see it, but just to give you an idea of these gorgeous stones and how fun this was and what a statement piece this is. The estate pieces, I think we started with these estate earrings, and I got this idea from going to actually an estate sale, and I saw these gorgeous earrings that look like so vintage, and I said, I'm just going to have to make them. So I made something similar. Then we made the bracelet. Look at that color of that stone. I think that's called heliotrope. These are all Swarovski stones. So really, really pretty. And here we made the necklace. Now it has, I'll show you the necklace on the green one in a second. It had, of course, the cubic right angle weave necklace, double chain, but I took that off and I think I used it for something else. But look at the color. Look at that stone. That, I forget the name of it, but it's so gorgeous. It's got that amber color and then that fuchsia purpley color. It's gorgeous. And then again, this sort of blue stone, I think it's called heliotrope, has the purple and a little bit of green and blue. Did some pearls in there. And then here I'll show you the chain on the green one. So here's the green opal one. This was so fun. And even, you know, the back is nicely finished. And here we have the double cubic right angle weave chain. And this one was, I think it might have been a New Year's, right after New Year's. I don't know what year it was, but such a great piece for the holidays, isn't it? All right, so let's move on. Last but not least, we have the Fiora pieces, and these pieces I absolutely adore. We did a little cubic right angle weave moment that we had that we're really enjoying using, doing cubic right angle weave. So I did the pendant. We have a bracelet too. I think I gave it away. I mean, when a friend comes in and says, oh, I love that, and I say, take it, and they take it. So it's okay. Sometimes I take them apart too, but I mean, if you ask me for it, I'm going to give it to you. So here we go. Here's the necklace with the pendant. Here's the pendant just on a chain. I think this is so beautiful. I love this. This is something that I wear. I think you can just wear it. Although it's a statement piece, I think you can wear this every day. I think this looks gorgeous with a white, crisp white shirt, button-down shirt, and a pair of jeans. That's how I wear it. Go out to dinner. I love it. All right, so here we go. Here's our last piece for the Bronzepony wrap-up for this month of August. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll have another wrap-up next month.